here we are at the port. This is where all the dhows pull in. So every day they go out, do their fishing, and they come back in. A whole heap of things here that are not permitted. No spear fishing. Well, there you go. No nets, no spear fishing. But you can actually scuba dive. Yeah. So there you go. So they're a pretty cool looking boat, aren't they? They look very old, but yeah, they seem to move along all right out on the water. As you can see, there's so many here. So this is where a lot of the fresh seafood come in, and they go over to the markets, the Bahrain markets, where you can get fresh fruit and veg, and fresh seafood, fresh meat. Someone down there fixing his dhow. Yeah, they're pretty cool. We've got a lot there. Proudly showing the Bahrain flag on the end of that dhow there. Looks pretty cool. So this is normally a pretty favourite spot for people to come and film, as you can see. So yeah, there you have it, eh? Lots of dhows around the place, as you can see behind me there. Lots and lots of dhows. We'll go down and we'll show you where they actually come out and come in down the end of this port here. So now we're down the end of the port roadway, and we can see where they can come in and out. So, wide open water. Nice breeze today, actually. This is where they back out and come in. Just as a note, got the Bahrain Financial Harbour buildings there. Pretty cool looking. All new construction going on over there. We've got these beautiful apartments over here as well. Pretty cool place to live, I reckon. Good if you had a big boat like that down the end there. Yeah, wishful thinking. So yeah, this is where they come in and out. Dhows where they park. Pretty cool. You see on the boats there, they're fully decked out with all their weights and nets and all the rest of the stuff. All the eskies that would have been full of fish, no doubt. There. Pretty cool looking thing. Cool looking boats. Only in this region, I believe, that they're like this. So there you have it. All the dhows, they come in and out. This is only one spot really where they do the fishing. Down in Badea and Daraz, all around the island really, all around Bahrain Island, they've got various areas where they go out and do their fishing, but certainly not dhow boats like this. Most of them are like, you know, 24 to 26 foot Bahrain fishing boats. That's pretty much what we call them. And they go out very early in the morning and pull up all their nets that they've put out the night before, and pick out all the fish, and that goes back into the port. Obviously there is some port areas where they do sell fresh fish right there at the port. Daraz is one of them. Might show you that one. We'll go down and take a video of that one as well. So there you have it. Welcome to JB, the vlog life. Well, as it turns out, so I went down to Daraz port. security was there. He came out, said, can I do some photos or some filming down here? He said, no, cannot, not allowed to film down there. So there you go. I can't show you the RAS port and where they collect the fish and clean the fish and all the rest of it, so maybe we might be able to sneak it in one day or something. But anyways, that's the way it is. That's the ministry rules here, so we've got to abide by the rules of the ministry. So there it is. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.